Hi, scientists. So I wanted to remind you about phenomenon. Phenomenon are observable events in our universe that scientists use science to explain. So sometimes you might see a phenomenon and someone says, wow, it's magic. But it's not magic, it's science. And as scientists, and you're a scientist, as scientists are observing, scientists ask questions and thinking about when you make an observation and you see something happen, you think about why did that happen? Or how does that? And so what you're going to do is you are going to watch a video, and there are different phenomena, like when there's more than one phenomenon. And so what I want you to do as you're watching, you're thinking like a scientist, and you're going to think about how some of those things are happening or why. Like, what is the science? It's not magic. They're not tricking. They're not trying to be a trickster, but it's all because of science. And we're going to ask how and why. So in the next video, as you're watching, I want you to be thinking like a scientist about how they're happening or why they're happening.